So today we're gonna be tracking severe storms in wildfire smoke. As you can see, this was the air quality around the time, and it was not that good. So by the time I'm recording it, it's around the green zone, so yeah. I am right under heavy rain. I'm right under it. As you can see, the storm is currently growing. It's going so fast right now. Look how big that storm cloud is. It's like a mini swamp. It's springing up. I've never seen it do that before. Insane cloud. It's pouring. Oh my God, it's raining so hard right now. Oh my gosh, this is intense rain right here. Oh my gosh. Right there? Yep, that's insane. Okay guys, so it looks like the storm has passed us, and I'm gonna wait for the next storm to arrive. It's a nice garden, but there are storm clouds up ahead. So as you can see, I have my weather radar right here. It's actually just my school computer, but I'm using this to track the storms that are, oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain right now. As I am speaking, it is starting to rain. Oh my gosh. Wow. Also, look at this lavender. It's just really nice. As I am speaking, it is now raining. It just started raining. Well guys, that's gonna do it for the video today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.